There's a few statues here from mining disasters throughout Yorkshire and Barnsley. This monument was unveiled Wednesday 28th July 1983 by Arthur Scargill, President of the National Union Mine Workers, in the memory of those who have lost their lives in supporting their union in times of struggle.
David Jones, 24 years old, and Joe Green, 55 years old, both died on the picket line during the epic miners' strike against pit closures. I had to turn the audio off because of the gentleman's request, so I'm going to use my AI mate Dave, sorry. The union is still active, even all these years after the pits closed. The National Union of Mine Workers continues to exist and actively works on issues related to the legacy of the coal industry and its former members. While deep coal mining is no longer a major industry in the UK, the National Union of Mine Workers focuses on areas like pensions, industrial diseases, concessionary fuel schemes, and welfare for former miners and their families, and works to ensure that agreements and benefits secured for miners are upheld and protected. The National Union of Mine Workers maintains an archive, which includes historical records and documents, and actively engages with the public, including school groups, to share the history of the coal mining industry and its impact. Some of the banners in this room are over 100 years old, two of them are from 1900 and 1907. The building was constructed in 1912 with contributions from the miners and families. The guy told me there was three things that happened in 1912: the building of this, Barnsley won the cup, and the sinking of the Titanic. Each banner represented a colliery. When Barnsley had the mayor's parade in the summer, or there was a local feast on, the people of the towns or villages would march behind the banners with the village brass band playing. The only brass band to come from the collieries still in existence is Grimethorpe Colliery Brass Band. There was a film made about this band called Brastoff.
That's where the miners' strike first started, Cotton Wood. I can remember getting one of them stickers when I were outside Roxy's going in. We put some money into bucket for miners' strike. That's down out main pit. This is a plan map of Elsica and New Stubbing collieries. That's the emblem of Barnsley, the coal miner and the glass blower. Some old coal trucks. Part of Barnsley's heritage. So in that hall, for every seat was a delegate for the mining union. They had their own seat, and for every delegate it were 1,000 jobs roughly that were in the coal industry. That's on top and below, and it all went by 1992. Was the odd pit, which were privately owned, that still kept going up until the 2000s, but then all that closed down and we have to import coal now.